Is your IQ good? How fast can you solve this geometry puzzle? You can work it out and comment your answer in the comments below. So let's work it out together and see what we get. So we have been given this kite and we are required to find its area and perimeter. So this side length is equals to this side length. Also this side is equals to this side. While this side is 5, this is 6, this is 12. Now, since this side is equals to this side, it implies that if this is 5, this here will also be 5 because this side is equals to this side. So this line is dividing this kite into 2 equal parts. Also, this vertical line is perpendicular to this horizontal line. So this is 90 degrees. Now we know that the area of a kite is given by a half times a half d1 d2. A half times d1 times d2, where d1 is the long diagonal and d2 is the short diagonal. So on our kite, this side length here, this side from here to here is d1, and from here to here is d2. This side here is d2. Okay? So if this is d1 and this is d2 and this is how we find area of the kite, so our d1 in the given kite is equals to this whole length here is 6 plus 12, which is equals to 18. Okay, and our d2, which is the height or the vertical line, is, we say this, if this is 5, this is also 5. So this will be 5 plus 5, which is 10. So now we can find the area of the kite. Therefore, area is equals to a half times d1 times d2, which is equals to a half. d1 is 18, d2 is 10. So this 2 goes into 18 9 times. So area is equals to 9 times 10. And therefore, area gives us 90. Remember, area is given in squares, square units. So 90 square units. Now we are done finding the area of the kite. Let's move on to finding its perimeter. So first, let's label the points of the kite. Let this be A, B, C, D, and this point E. Now, considering triangle BEC, since it's a right angled triangle, so this is B, this is E, this is C, this is 90 degrees, this is 5, and this is 12. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to find side length BC. So C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So our C is BC. So BC squared is equals to, our A is BE squared plus our B is EC. So EC squared. So BC is what we are looking to find, is equals to BE, which is 5. So 5 squared plus EC, which is 12. 12 squared. Therefore, BC squared is equals to 5 squared is 25 plus 12 squared is 144. Therefore, BC squared is equals to 25 plus 144 gives 169. So now let's find the square root on both sides to get rid of this square. So BC will be equals to, we would have taken positive or negative 13, but since BC represents length, we only take positive. So BC is equals to 13. So this BC is 13. Now let's consider this triangle here, ABE. So in triangle ABE, it's also a right angled triangle where this side is 6, this side is 5. So using the Pythagorean theorem as well, c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. C is AB squared is equals to a is BE squared plus b, which is AE squared. So AB squared is equals to b is 5, so 5 squared plus AE, which is 6, 6 squared. Therefore, AB squared is equals to 5 squared is 25 plus 6 squared is 36. Therefore, AB squared is equals to 25 plus 36 gives us 61. Now let us find the square root on both sides to get rid of this square. So AB is equals to root 61. Therefore, this side length is square root of 61. Now, since we have found this side and this side, we know that we were told that this side AB is equals to this side AD. Therefore, if this is root 61, this is also root 61. Also, we were told side BC with these marks is equals to side CD. So if this is 13, DC is also 13. So now we can easily find the perimeter of this kite. So perimeter will be equals to this side length plus this side length. So it will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, so perimeter will be equals to AB is root 61 plus BC is 13 plus CD is 13 plus DA is root 61. So perimeter will be equals to 13 plus 13 gives us 26 plus root 61 plus root 61 gives us 2 root 61, which gives us 26 plus 2 root 61 is approximately 15.6. Therefore, perimeter will be approximately equals to, when you add these two, you get 41.6. Since its perimeter, it will be 41.6 units. So that's how you solve. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and family for an enlightening experience. Comment your thoughts about it. Let's meet in the next video.